What's good, everybody? This is your boy Manny Scribble. Welcome to 2018. If you guys haven't already done it, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified anytime I drop some new videos. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future episodes, go ahead and leave those in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy today, but I'm gonna do the speed painting of my boy DJ D Soto. Go ahead and give him a follow. I'll leave all his information in the description box below. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram. You can win a cartoon done by me, so don't miss that. Other than that, enjoy the video and I'll catch y'all next time. Yee!